Starting a blog isn't just about writing, it's about sharing your unique voice with the world. Publishing content alone won't attract readers. You need a strategic approach to promote your blog effectively. In this guide, let's explore powerful strategies that will elevate your blog's visibility and engagement. First, ensure your blog has a solid foundation. A well-structured blog makes promotion more effective and rewarding. Begin with a user-friendly website that welcomes visitors with a clear, easy-to-navigate layout. Fast loading times are crucial. Slow websites cause visitors to leave before they even see your content. Optimize for mobile users, as many readers access blogs via smartphones. A responsive design keeps them hooked. Crafting quality, consistent content is essential. Regular posts keep your readers engaged and eager for more. Solve your audience's problems with valuable, actionable content that addresses their pain points and interests. Utilize SEO strategies, integrating relevant keywords to ensure search engines can easily find and rank your blog. A strong brand voice sets your blog apart. Whether professional, casual, or quirky, maintain consistency throughout. Authenticity resonates. Readers appreciate genuine content that feels relatable and true to the creator's voice. Building an email list early on is vital. It's a direct way to communicate with your audience and broaden in-reach. Offer something valuable in exchange for email subscriptions, like a free guide or exclusive content. After establishing your blog, it's time to dive into promotion and attract an expansive audience. Harness the power of social media to share your blog posts with a broader audience on platforms they frequent. Engage actively on Facebook, the perfect place to share posts and interact with followers through comments. On Instagram, captivating images and snippets of your work can create buzz and keep your community engaged. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn for professional blogs, connecting with industry experts while sharing your insights. Engage in niche communities on platforms like Reddit, where you can share expertise and foster interest in your blog. Pinterest can serve as a visual search engine. Create eye-catching pins to direct traffic back to your blog. SEO is your best friend for driving organic traffic. Being on search results opens doors to many new readers. Conduct keyword research using tools to identify what your audience is searching for. Optimize your posts accordingly. Mobile optimization and site speed are crucial for SEO. Slow or non-mobile friendly blogs lose potential visitors quickly. Collaborating with influencers or other bloggers amplifies your reach, introducing your content to their audience base. Write guest posts for established blogs to broaden your audience, giving newcomers a chance to discover your work. Invite well-known bloggers to contribute to your blog, bringing their followers to your platform and enhancing credibility. Email marketing keeps your audience informed about new posts and special events, encouraging them to return frequently. Create personalized newsletters that capture interest and make your readers feel valued through engaging content. Consider using paid advertising to expedite your blog's visibility, ensuring your content reaches the right audience effectively. Repurpose your content into various formats like videos or infographics to target different audience preferences effectively. By continuing to engage, learn, and adapt your strategies, you'll watch your blog flourish over time. Grow your voice.